Hey guys, as we go into the future, we observe a mixed landscape for job opportunities. On one hand, certain professions are displaying promising signs of growth and evolution. However, on the other hand, a growing number of occupations are gradually fading away. This shift can be attributed to various factors such as radical transformations occurring within particular industries or the advent of automation that replaces certain aspects of jobs. Consequently, individuals who are contemplating new career paths must be cautious about the professions that are slowly dying out. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Here are 7 outdated professions that are not worth pursuing. The first one is programmers. Engaging in an information technology career can be highly rewarding from a financial perspective. However, it is crucial to acknowledge that the demand for programmers is gradually diminishing due to the advancements in automation, which have significantly enhanced the speed and efficiency of computer programming. The continuous progress in automation technology has resulted in streamlined programming processes that require fewer human resources. Automated tools and frameworks have emerged, enabling developers to expedite coding tasks, minimize errors, and enhance productivity. As a result, the need for a large number of programmers has diminished, as fewer individuals are now required to accomplish the same amount of work. Another significant factor influencing the demand for programmers is the increasing prevalence of remote work. With the rise of remote collaboration tools and the ability to work from anywhere, companies are finding that a single programmer or a smaller team can handle the required workload effectively. This shift towards remote work has further reduced the need for multiple programmers, as companies can tap into a global talent pool and leverage the expertise of remote professionals. The second one is factory workers. Robots have already assumed the roles of certain factory workers, performing tasks as basic as transferring a box from one location to another. This development underscores the potential for machines to gradually supplement human labor, especially in occupations that are deemed physically demanding. Nevertheless, it is crucial to consider that the rate of job replacement by robots may not be as extensive as often perceived. A recent study conducted in 2022 at Brigham Young University sheds light on this matter. The research revealed that among the surveyed workers, approximately 14% reported having their jobs taken over by robots. However, it is worth noting that the study also uncovered a tendency among these workers to overestimate the actual rate at which they were being replaced. The third one is travel agents. When embarking on an all-inclusive vacation to an unfamiliar destination, travel agents have traditionally served as valuable resources for planning and organizing the trip. Their expertise, knowledge of various locations, and ability to create personalized itineraries have been highly sought after by travelers. However, the landscape of travel planning is undergoing a transformation as algorithms and digital technologies become increasingly sophisticated. Nowadays, travelers often find that a quick online search can provide them with comprehensive information about available options and attractions at their chosen destination. The convenience and accessibility of online platforms enable individuals to explore a wide range of accommodations, transportation options, and tourist attractions, empowering them to make informed decisions without the assistance of a travel agent. The fourth one is news reporters and journalists. In recent years, the news industry has undergone significant challenges, leading to a series of layoffs across various media organizations. One contributing factor to this decline is the drying up of revenue streams, including advertising and subscription revenue, which have traditionally supported newspapers and other forms of media. According to research conducted by the Pew Research Center, newsrooms have experienced a substantial reduction in their workforce, amounting to a loss of over 25% since 2008. This decline in employment levels is indicative of the financial constraints and operational difficulties faced by news organizations. Even renowned media entities such as CNN and BuzzFeed have been compelled to implement significant workforce reductions in an effort to adapt to the changing landscape. As the frequency of layoffs becomes increasingly commonplace in the news industry, it is becoming evident that reporters and journalists are encountering a narrowing area of job opportunities. Another one is translators. Translators play a vital role in numerous professional environments, such as hospitals, schools, and international businesses, where effective communication across language barriers is paramount. Nonetheless, the emergence of advanced technology has introduced readily available translation services, leading to the displacement of human translators in certain scenarios. Sophisticated programs and applications have been developed that can efficiently handle multilingual translations, sometimes surpassing the capabilities of human translators in terms of speed and language proficiency. The machine translation technology has significantly impacted the translation industry. With the aid of powerful algorithms and artificial intelligence, these programs can quickly process and produce translations in multiple languages, offering convenience and accessibility to users. As a result, there is a growing reliance on technology-driven translation solutions, leading to a decrease in the demand of human translators. Another one is bank tellers. In the present era, it has become exceedingly rare to come across a bank that does not provide its customers with a mobile application or online access to their accounts. This digital transformation has revolutionized the banking industry, offering individuals unprecedented convenience and control over their financial transactions. Regardless of whether you intend to establish direct deposit or initiate fund transfers between accounts, the majority of banks now offer online features to facilitate such transactions. In fact, some banks have transitioned to operate solely in the online realm, eliminating the need for physical branch locations. This shift towards digital banking has redefined the way customers interact with their accounts, enabling them to perform various financial tasks conveniently and securely from the comfort of their own devices. Consequently, the widespread adoption of online banking features has also had implications for the role of bank tellers, with customers being able to perform many routine transactions online, such as checking balances, transferring funds, or paying bills. There is a reduced reliance on bank tellers for these tasks. And another one is bookkeepers. In the past, bookkeepers held a critical role in meticulously monitoring and recording financial transactions for various organizations. They were essential in tracking expenditures, income, and maintaining accurate financial records. However, advancements in software technology have ushered in a new era of automation, transforming the landscape of financial tracking and reducing the demand for manual bookkeeping tasks. With the advent of sophisticated software applications specifically designed for financial management, the need for human bookkeepers has diminished significantly. These software programs are capable of automating many aspects of financial tracking, including data entry, categorization, and generating reports. By leveraging algorithms and artificial intelligence, these tools can efficiently handle complex financial calculations, ensuring accuracy and efficiency while reducing the risk of human error. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, do you know any other professions that will not be relevant in the near future? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.